Eccentric Learning Laboratories presents, in cooperation with the League of Greatest Youth, Learn with Pride. Political, industrial, commercial, and technological changes in the ways we use words helps us to better understand the reasons people recreationally use substances to escape the stress of life in modern society. Attempts to address dependence, abuse, tolerance, and addiction over the past 60 years have focused exclusively on the individual pictures of those spun in this era of big data. However, an exclusive focus on the pictures of people merely reproduces the attitudes, mechanisms of maintenance, and emotional environments that keep us spinning. Perhaps now is the time to take hold of the ways we use words to define the frame rather than paint a prettier picture. This has been Lecture 4 of Learn with Pride, powered by the Tipping Point Model.